Here are first four square numbers represented by square boxes. Here I am arranging these boxes to showcase the sum of these four square numbers. Adding another pattern of same square numbers, making it 2 times the previous one. Again, adding another pattern of same square numbers, transforming it 3 times the previous sum. Length of rectangle formed is 8, which can be written as 2 times 4, plus 1, and breadth is sum of 1, 2, 3, and 4. After which the total sum of square numbers equals to the area of rectangle as shown here. If there are n numbers of square numbers, then the length will be 2 times n plus 1, and breadth will extend from 1 to n. Finally, extending the numbers in their particular general form, we have obtained formula for sum of n square numbers.